everybody, and welcome to episode number 15 of my parents' house. Today it's a gorgeous day. It's about 7 a.m. and it's about 75 degrees. Probably one of the coolest days we've had so far since I've started this project. Today we're going to be putting the foam on the outside of the new structure, and then we're also going to be doing the lath work just to get it ready for when we do the brown coat and we do the stucco. So let's get to work. He's chipping out the old stucco so that they'll be able to make a good joint between the new addition and the house. He's tucking the paper into the corner, so then that way when he adds the foam, there'll be a seal there, and then they will stucco over that. That's the first piece of foam that is going in, and what he did was he tucked it tight into the corner, so then that way it'll kind of seal that corner up once he puts the stucco in. Now, as you can see, they ran a strip of blue, it looks like drywall tape, along the foam. And what's going to happen is they are going to put the chicken wire over that, and then they're going to stucco right over the foam. They no longer put paper between the foam and the chicken wire. You can see he's putting the tape over the joints where the foam comes together, so the stucco will adhere to that specific joint, and if it moves, you won't get a crack in the stucco. As you can see now, he's filling in all the seams between the top of where the eaves are and the actual foam, so there won't be any spaces. And then stucco will go up to that point, and then they'll put probably a 1x3 piece of molding in there, which will look something like this. So this is what a roll of chicken wire looks like that they're going to be applying to the side of the house. The first thing they've done is they've rolled it out, and then what they're going to do is nail it to the actual wall. So now they're unrolling the chicken wire, and they're going to attach it to the wall. So now he's cutting that chicken wire off the front of the window so that he can wrap it back around. This project, doing the sheathing and putting the chicken wire on the outside of the house, took a really long time. It took a whole day, and it was excessively hot. It got to be, I think it was 116 degrees. And those guys worked really hard. It was one gentleman and his dad's got to be in his probably late 70s. And they worked really hard, but they got it done. And the reason why I sped a lot of this stuff up was because it was kind of the same repetitious thing. So we really didn't have to go into detail as to what they were doing. Now that the sheathing and the chicken wire is up, we will follow up in subsequent episodes and show how they apply the stucco to this surface. So until next time, I'm Jeff with My Parents' House saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Bye-bye.